I'm Martin Paukert. I'm assistant professor in the Department of Cellular and Integrative Physiology. So studying the brain is technically challenging, and this applies particularly to glial cells, since these are electrically not excitable. As a consequence, the technology that has enabled us to study their function in living animals has evolved just in the last 1 to 2 decades. And that's why many questions are still unanswered. And so that's what excites me, particularly being part of the process in revealing function of astroglia. We are particularly interested in astrocytes. These are cells that play a homeostatic role by providing energy to neurons and removing waste. And recent studies have indicated that these cells also actively participate in how our brain senses our environment. The hope is that we will identify novel means of interfering with disease progressions. So specifically in my lab, we are interested in brain state-dependent activation of these astroglia. That means when we transition from a resting, more relaxed state into a more attentive state, these astroglia get activated, and they get activated dependent on a signaling pathway that early during disease progression in Alzheimer's disease or Parkinson's disease degenerates. And so for that reason, we believe that understanding the role of this activation may inform us in helping the degeneration of this form of signaling during these diseases. So I think what makes the Health Science Center stand out is its interdisciplinary environment. For example, the Center for Biomedical Neuroscience represents faculty members from multiple departments. I'm involved in graduate student teaching, and certainly also within the lab, it is a rewarding experience of training graduate students as well as postdoctoral fellows.